Got one. What's up, YouTube family? We're down here, headed to go tear some fish up with old David. First time he's been in one of my videos, but it won't be the last, I promise. He'll be in a ton of them. The plan today, if you want to call it that, is we're going to kind of bounce around to a bunch of creeks that I haven't been to much since probably like mid-fall. The water gets cold fast in creeks, and usually the fish stop biting there first. We're going to throw some lures, maybe throw some worms, and worst case scenario, bring in the bow. If they won't eat, we'll force feed them fiberglass.
Mess with you.
Look how tasty that looks. If I was a fish, I'd eat that. I'm gonna walk down here. The fish is not biting, so we may have to smoke them in the dome. Do it for the camera. Fall in. Oh, I would not have walked across that in tennis shoes if I was you. I told you. I told you. I just said it. That's okay. Your feet were gonna get wet at some point today. Yeah, I meant to tell you not to walk across that. Because it's on video on YouTube of me falling in that exact same spot.
Oh, really?
Yes. Now we go back that way though.
It's wet.
We go that way.
I ain't going back. God.
So we're out here at spot number 2. We didn't really have much luck at spot number 1. I haven't fished it in 8 months, and because they were tearing the bridge out. They had a low water crossing built, completely blocking the creek off. I wasn't gonna walk down here in the middle of construction. Really a nice little parking area, which I didn't used to have, and poured a bunch of fresh riprap all the way around it, so bunch of new drains. We'll see what happens, I guess. That is a big swolled up dead hog. Barf. Okay, I see some bass. Oh, he smoked it. Got him. Finally got one. The fish in here aren't giants, but wait until I show you this. They are absolutely gorgeous.
Beautiful young female.
I mean,
absolutely gorgeous.
Super clear, almost with a blue tint water. And the fish that come out of here are absolutely gorgeous.
Absolutely gorgeous.
That's actually a spot. Got one.
Looks like we've got one. But is it the one we want?
I knew that crawl would do it. I tell y'all, that's another spot. 100% with a little bitty mouth. This creek is plumb full of them. Spotted bass. You can tell because they got a little tongue patch, and then where the dorsal connects to the rear there, it's a little different. That was YouTube professional release right there. Right, got another one. Switch to the crawl. Another little spot. Good Lord, they are energetic. There he goes. All right, make one more cast back that far back corner right there, and then we're gonna throw some worms in here. Oh, what in the hells is you doing over there? Got him. He was really slow about that though. Alright. Check this out, guys. So I just had to put a big nasty slobbery slaunch dong piece of worm on there. But this here is a green sunfish bluegill hybrid. They are pretty. Yeah, you're like way too close. I'd cast further out there if it was me. Hell yeah. Or if it was me, I'd cast right into the bush next to you. Alright, I guess let's walk back to that other spot where there's a bunch of fish stacked up. Got him! I got him! He's big! Oh, he's big, David! Woo! Another little purple bluegill. The Gilly Boys. Oh, we got a jumper. We got tuna. Oh yeah, there's a big one not far from you too. He's headed towards you. You can't see him, can you? I can see it with these polarized glasses, big time. Oh yeah, you got like 5 of them all around you. I think you're about out of worm too. Let me just get in there. Let me just get in there behind you. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a bass. That's bass. On the bluegill. On the on the on the bluegill. No, on the oh, bass on the worms. And that's another spot. The place is just loaded with spots. There we go. Is that another bass? No, that's just a way better gill. Ooh, look at that. That's another hybrid green sunfish bluegill. Look at the size of that one, dude. That's a good one. For out of this creek anyways. I mean, I've caught them twice that size, but... Oh, damn. That dude was like gone with it. I wasn't paying attention at all. I was watching yours. That's another good one. Switch the old bobber and worms, folks. Another hybrid. Boop. Oh, that's a good one. Didn't see that coming for the way he took it. Y'all don't make fun of me on here for saying that's a good one to these little old tiny bluegill. I just mean that's a good one considering the location. Like, that's a good round bluegill for this spot. Ooh, I don't know if y'all can see that. He got some kind of like bug worm thing like swimming around on his forehead. Ooh. You know the other good thing about feeding your worms Starbucks coffee is that after you pinch worms in there, the dirt and the worm guts on your fingers. Oh, god damn!
I should have been a bit more alert.
But you yanked it out of my hand. Anyways, the dirt and worm guts on your fingers, instead of smelling like dirt and worm guts, smells like Starbucks. Yeah. That dude wanted it. What do you think? You about ready to go to the next spot or what?